compassion and courage is really all we have as humans. And the only real thing that we should be doing in this life is cultivating more of our compassion and more of our courage. I really don't have much to say, but I felt as though I needed to express and let you know that I'm here, guys. That you need to learn, and all of the blessings that are coming your way are going to come to you when we accept ourselves and others fully. And all of these blessings and lessons are just waiting on the other side of our fear. And I've been scared shitless for the past couple months because so many new emotional understandings are happening. And it's okay to be scared. It's okay to be scared. Going right back to that compassion and that courage.
Hello, welcome to Mindful Breathing with Sister Magnetic. Today, I want you guys to be grounded and find a place that brings you peace. I like to be places that I can dig my feet inside the ground and feel what God has created. You know what I'm saying? So, let's get into it. On the wild side, I prefer to inhale through my nose one way and exhale through my mouth. When I breathe in, I want you to fill your belly with air. When I say breathe out, I want you to exhale all that bullshit. Now, let's get into it. I inhale for about 20 seconds, 10 seconds, deep. Exhale, same amount of time, so let's get into it. Thank you for tuning in with me, guys. I hope you took the time today to mindful breathe and be present and know that where you are right now is where you're supposed to be, where God allowed you to be, and be thankful. In the name of Jesus, thank you so much for tuning in. Peace out.